What's going on, guys? Your boy K back with another video for you guys. And today on Simple Kitchen, guys, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to cook some rice. You'll be surprised how many people out there don't know how to cook rice, guys. So I'm gonna break it down real simple, step by step. That's how we do it here. And I'm gonna show y'all how to cook the rice in a rice cooker or a saucepan, guys. Both ways. Really easy ingredients. We have rice, salt, butter, and we're gonna be cooking coconut rice today, guys. So I have coconut milk powder right here instead of the coconut milk. This is real easy. So let's get into it. That's how we do. Okay, my people. So here we have, right here I have 2 cups of rice. And guys, for every cup of rice you have, you put 1.5 cup of water to it. So I have 2 cups of rice, so I'm gonna go ahead and put 3 cups of water to it. So I have the rice, I have a teaspoon of salt right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a tablespoon of butter in it, because you know I like that creamy stuff. And I have the coconut milk. I'm gonna show y'all how to whip that in there. Real easy, guys. Real simple. And first I'm gonna show y'all how to cook the rice in the rice cooker. Then we can go to the saucepan. It's a little more complicated there, but here it's just pushing some buttons and we're good to go. So let's get to it. Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the rice. You know, you always wanna wash off all that. Always wanna wash your rice first, guys. Wash that excess starch off there. You don't need all that. Drain it. Alright, so now that we got the rice washed, guys, go ahead and put that back in there. I'm going to go ahead and add 3 cups of water to the 2 cups of rice that I have right here. I have my measuring cup right here. Three cups of water. Go ahead and add that in. We'll go ahead and add the salt to it. And a tablespoon of butter. Give that a little mix. Okay, guys, so I add the butter in there. So what I need to do, I need to add the milk powder to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my measuring cup. Scoop some of the water out. Not too much. That's good enough right there, guys. Go ahead and put the powder in it. And you can pick these powder up. I don't know if Walmart sell them, guys, but I know for the Grace coconut powder, I always get this at Publix. I get most of this international stuff at Publix. This is the same one we have back in Jamaica, so I always just get this one. I bet Walmart have some, but I don't know what brand or how it tastes. So I get what I know, guys. You know. See, I'll go ahead and mix that powder up. Get that creamy. Get all that lump out of there. Then we're going to just go ahead and get it down in there, guys. Use the spoon, scrape up. Just mix it. Till it's creamy like that. It's all creamy. And if you want your coconut rice to taste more like coconut, you can always just add 2 packs to it. But I'm just doing 2 cups of rice, guys, so I'll just use 1 pack to it. So go ahead and close that, turn it on, and eat white rice, guys. And that's it. On here I have white, brown, and steam, or slow cook. So we're gonna just use that white rice. And I have 3 rice cookers, guys. This is actually a rice cooker too. This is the one I normally use, because this one I just add the stuff to it, hit play, and that's it. And to keep my rice hot way longer, I can have my rice in here for like up to a week, and my rice will still be good. This one, you keep the rice for a while, probably like 3 days though, because it over steam the rice. So like your rice get all soggy and mushy. I don't want all that. So this one can hold on to the rice way longer. So I use this. I tend to use this one more, but this one I use it for like slow cooking stuff and all that. You know, this is an all-in-one right here. And I know a lot more people have the aroma rice cooker, so I'm just showing you guys how to use that. So now we're gonna go to the saucepan, guys. Same steps, guys. Guys, so now we're over to the saucepan, and for the saucepan, we're gonna do the same steps. We're gonna go ahead and wash the rice first. 2 cups of rice. And you don't necessarily have to wash the rice, guys, you know, but it's just extra stuff. You don't necessarily have to wash the rice, because once you get it up to a boil, that should be alright, but you know, a lot of people do. I wash my rice sometimes. You know, I eat a lot of rice, guys, so I tend, like, you don't really bother me at all, to be honest with you. That's my main source of carbs, rice. So yeah, I'll show y'all the right way. Alright, so I have the rice washed right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add the water. 2 cups of rice, 3 cups of water. A little bit more. And I'm gonna just save a little bit of the water, guys, so I can go ahead and mix the powder. Just use the scissors to cut this, guys. Don't do the knife thing. You know, yeah, I'm setting bad examples, I know. Need a fork. Mix up. Mix and get all the lumps out of it, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of the milk to this. Okay, guys, I had to go ahead and change the saucepan real quick because the other one, I think it was a little bit too small. And I know the rice expands, so I didn't want it to over expand. That. So we're gonna add the salt, add the butter, tablespoon, or you can always add more butter if you want, guys. I like to add a lot of butter to mine, but we'll just use this spoon. Mix it up a little bit. And what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna turn this up to all the way up to high, and we're gonna get it to where it's boiling, real quick. Get it to simmer. And after it starts simmering, guys, we're going to turn it down to low heat and let it cook for about 18 minutes so we can get it done. Okay, guys, so now that we have the rice to simmer, we're going to go ahead and turn them down on low heat. And we're going to just cover it back up and let it stay there and cook for about 18 to 20 minutes, guys. And then I'll show y'all the finished product. And I have the rice cooker over here going too. I don't want to pull it, so it is cooking. So I'm gonna show y'all the finished product when we get done. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, so here the rice is done. As you can see, guys. And this is all the coconut milk right here. All on top of here. Coconut milk, guys. That's that good stuff right there. And we have it done in the rice cooker too, guys. I know if y'all heard that beep, but you can see all that good coconut milk around it. There we go. That's that finished product right there. It's that good rice right there, guys. You can see all that white, creamy coconut milk. Okay, guys, so there's the rice right there. This one is the rice cooker and this one is a stovetop. Okay, almost at the end of the video, guys. So as you guys can see, Real simple cook, guys. Tasty coconut rice. If you're a coconut lover, definitely give this a try, guys. If you haven't tried it yet. So as you guys can see, that's how I whip it up in the rice cooker and the stovetop. They both came out perfectly, guys. And you can always, depending on how you like your rice, you can always add more water or add less water to it, guys. This is how I like my rice right here. So definitely give this a try at the house, guys. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. And as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe, share the video, guys. Holla back at your boy. Peace.